In this demonstration, Dr. Walsh is going to show us how to foam roll the adductors, or the inner thigh. What she's going to do is start on her knees and come down almost into a plank position, with the foam roller hitting her thigh at a 45-degree angle. Her right leg is almost frog-legged out. From here, she's going to roll up into the groin, and then right back down towards the knee. And by rotating her lower leg, she can get more in the front of that adductor, or by bringing it back down, she can get more in the inside and back side of that adductor. As with any other area, she's going to do 5 to 6 long, slow passes. And then if there's any tender spots, she's just going to rest her body weight on it, maybe rock back and forth just to release them. Give that 30 seconds, and if they don't release, just move on. And then repeat on the opposite side.